Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Delta 600 trim is probably one of the most sought-after trim kits for bathroom and kitchen renovations, offering a perfect blend of style, functionality, and ease of installation. This video will provide an in-depth look at its features, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your next home improvement project, covering everything from its sleek design to its compatibility with various Delta faucets. Number 5. Danco 10003 Tub Trim Kit. Upgrade your shower with this easy-to-install trim kit. It's designed for a perfect fit and reliable performance. This kit is compatible with various Delta shower valves, including Monitor 1300-1400, Multi-Choice 1314, and 600 series. It works with both cartridge and ball-style faucets. Installation is a breeze. Make sure you have a 3 to 1 2-inch wall opening for proper fit. It comes with all the necessary parts and instructions. We've included access to our revolutionary 3D interactive instructions. Follow the voice and text guided steps for a quick and confident installation. It includes a metal and acrylic handle, faceplate, screws, adapters, and an Allen wrench. Everything you need for a complete replacement. It's built to last with durable plastic and stainless steel components. The chrome finish adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. Enjoy precise water temperature control with the single-function design. Get the perfect shower every time. What we like. It boasts compatibility with various Delta shower valve models. The included 3D interactive instructions make installation a breeze. If you value durability and a wide range of compatibility, this is the trim kit for you. What people say. Bought this to replace the Delta plastic crystal knob in our 1990s shower. We have the diamond-shaped thread and this fit great. Working great, and the handle is decently constructed. The handle fit well, but it is a little loose but does not feel like it will be coming off. The handle seems durable. This kit is designed to update the Delta 600 ball lever control and does not replace the guts of the mechanism like the proprietary Delta kit. First impression, better than expected. The pieces are finished nicely and seem to mimic the overall design of the newer Delta fixtures. Number 4. Delta RP54870SS Repair Kit. Is your Delta 600 series shower handle looking outdated? This repair kit makes updating it quick and easy. It's the perfect solution for a refreshed look. This kit includes all the necessary parts for a simple repair. You'll get a brand new handle, deck plate, and all the small components needed for a complete update. This isn't just any repair kit, it's a genuine Delta part, ensuring a perfect fit and long-lasting performance. It's made to last. The kit contains everything you need: handle, deck plate, screws, cap, sleeve, conversion ball, seats and springs, and cam and packing. No more hunting for individual parts. It features a beautiful, classic stainless finish that complements any bathroom style. Enjoy a fresh, updated look that will last. Important: this repair kit is only compatible with Delta 600 series tub and shower trims. Please ensure compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This kit is an original Delta part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. It comes with all necessary replacement parts for a seamless update. If you prioritize authenticity and a complete solution for your Delta 600 series, this is the one for you. What people say. This quality all-metal product allowed me to upgrade without removing the faucet body. It even came with new seals, springs, and ball. Install was easy. Instead of having to get behind the tub and cut pipes, this kit allows you to replace the guts of the valve and cosmetic pieces. Everything was made of metal. The valve ball is an actual conversion ball to change from the crystal ball handle to a proper lever handle. The handle now rotates toward the H for hot and the C for cold. Very smooth operation, zero slop in the handle. Number 3. Delta Faucet RP54870 Trim Kit. Is your shower handle outdated? This kit makes updating your Delta 600 series tub and shower trim easy and affordable. It's the perfect solution for a quick refresh. This kit includes all the necessary replacement parts. You'll receive a new handle, deck plate, screws, cap, sleeve, conversion ball, seats and springs, and cam and packing. Everything is included for a complete update. Replacing your old shower handle is a breeze. This kit provides all the parts needed for a smooth and straightforward installation. You'll be enjoying your updated shower in no time. It features a stunning chrome finish that complements any bathroom decor. Its versatility makes it a perfect choice for various styles and preferences. This is a genuine Delta repair part, ensuring a perfect fit and lasting performance. You can trust in its quality and reliability for years to come. Transform your bathroom with this simple upgrade. It's a cost-effective way to revitalize your shower and enhance its look and functionality. What we like. It's a genuine Delta repair kit, guaranteeing quality and compatibility. The kit includes all the necessary parts for a smooth replacement. If you want a classic, versatile look and a genuine Delta product, this chrome option is perfect. What people say. This kit fit the bill perfectly. The Delta Faucet Shower Handle Renovation Repair Trim Kit for the Delta 600 series tub and shower is a great solution for updating an older faucet without needing a full replacement. It includes all the essential parts to give your shower a fresh, modern look while maintaining the reliability and quality Delta is known for. The durable materials ensure longevity, and the polished finish adds a sleek touch to any bathroom. As a person who doesn't typically mess with plumbing projects, I was easily able to install this myself to replace my old kit, within about 20 minutes. Our old one was causing a really bad drippy faucet, it leaks no more, plus it looks much better. Number 2. Delta 600 Series Repair Kit. Is your shower handle looking dated? This kit makes updating your Delta 600 series shower a breeze. It's the perfect solution for a refreshed look. This kit includes all the necessary replacement parts for a complete renovation. You'll get a new handle, deck plate, screws, and more, everything you need for a seamless installation. The striking Venetian bronze finish adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. Its warm tones and hand-brushed look will transform your space. This kit is designed for easy installation, even for DIY enthusiasts. You'll have a renewed shower in no time. Rest assured, this is a genuine Delta repair part, ensuring quality and compatibility with your existing Delta 600 series shower. Enjoy lasting performance and peace of mind. Update your shower with this kit and enjoy a renewed bathroom experience. It's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. What we like. As a genuine Delta part, it's built to last and seamlessly integrate with your existing setup. The kit contains all the components needed for a complete update. If you're looking for a stylish, bronze upgrade for your Delta 600 series, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Fit perfectly with our old plumbing. Works great, looks great, exactly what was needed to complete our shower. It seems to be good quality, and matches the oil-rubbed bronze finish for the other fixtures in the bathroom. It's nice that Delta actually sells these, versus resorting to a third-party manufacturer. Number 1. Delta T14094CZ Faucet. This stunning faucet will instantly upgrade your bathroom. Its champagne bronze finish adds a touch of elegance to any space. The rich champagne bronze finish is both beautiful and durable. It's sure to complement your existing decor. It's designed for easy installation, saving you time and effort. You'll have it up and running in no time. This faucet is made with high-quality materials for lasting performance and reliability. You can trust it for years to come. It comes in compact packaging, measuring 9.0 L x 8.0 W x 5.5 H inches, making it easy to handle and transport. Weighing only 2.17 pounds. Crafted with precision and care, it's manufactured in China, meeting the highest standards of quality and design. What we like. This trim kit offers a stunning champagne bronze finish to upgrade your bathroom's look. It's a complete kit, ready to install. If you desire a luxurious, modern look, this is the perfect choice for your Delta 600 series. What people say. Really like the stainless finish, quality build and temperature control. Easy install, working as expected. The main reason I bought this particular model of handle is that the temp and pressure are separately regulated. I like to keep the pressure low, I use less water. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.